What feels normal in your Nissan could be slowly damaging the engine. Default settings often prioritize fuel economy over durability. These 7 hidden settings quietly increase engine wear and carbon buildup, and changing them now can prevent costly damage and save you thousands in future repairs. 1. Eco Mode Overuse. Slowly choking your engine. Starting any modern Nissan in Eco Mode feels like the smartest choice. Better mileage, smoother acceleration, and less fuel used all make it seem like the safest option for long-term driving. Most owners assume this mode is protecting the engine while saving money at the pump. In reality, this is where a lot of long-term damage quietly begins. In the shop, a clear pattern starts to show between 40,000 to 70,000 miles. Vehicles come in with sluggish throttle response, hesitation during acceleration, and noticeable carbon buildup inside the intake system. In some cases, early injector cleaning becomes necessary. One Altima owner ended up paying nearly $600 just to remove deposits that should not have appeared that early in the engine's life. Eco Mode works by dulling throttle response and keeping engine RPMs low, often below 2,000 during acceleration. While this improves fuel efficiency on paper, it creates incomplete combustion in real-world city driving. When combustion isn't fully efficient, carbon deposits begin forming on intake valves, fuel injectors, and piston rings. Over time, this buildup restricts airflow and reduces overall engine performance. Nissan engines, especially CVT-equipped models like the Rogue, Sentra, and Altima, are already designed to prioritize lower RPM operation. Eco Mode pushes that behavior even further, keeping the engine in a range where it never fully clears out these deposits. Engines that are constantly kept below their optimal operating range tend to age faster internally. It's not uncommon to see engines at 60,000 miles that look like they've experienced far more wear, simply because they were never allowed to operate at healthier RPM levels. Use Eco Mode only during steady highway cruising, where engine load is minimal. In city driving, switch it off and allow the engine to rev more naturally. Letting the RPM rise to around 2,500 to 3,000 occasionally helps burn off carbon deposits and keeps the intake system cleaner. Fuel economy might drop slightly, usually by just 1 to 2 miles per gallon. The small trade-off is nothing compared to a $500 to $800 intake or injector cleaning bill. Saving a little fuel today is not worth slowly choking your engine and paying for it later. 2. 10,000-mile oil change interval silently kills your engine. Check your Nissan's service reminder, and you'll likely see oil change intervals set around 10,000 miles. It feels convenient. Fewer service visits, lower maintenance costs, and less time spent thinking about upkeep. On the surface, it seems like a win, but it's actually one of the most damaging defaults in modern Nissan ownership. In real-world conditions, a different story starts to show up between 60,000 and 90,000 miles. Engines begin showing early signs of stress. Sludge buildup starts forming. Oil turns darker and thicker much faster. Cold starts become rougher, and in some cases, oil consumption begins earlier than expected. One Rogue owner followed the factory interval exactly, never missing a service, and still ended up paying nearly $900 for internal engine cleaning due to sludge buildup. The issue comes down to the type of oil being used, as most modern Nissan engines rely on 0W20 oil. It's designed to be thin for better fuel efficiency and smoother performance, but that also means it breaks down faster under heat and stress. When you combine that with short trips, stop-and-go traffic, frequent cold starts, and city driving, that 10,000-mile interval becomes unrealistic. Independent testing has shown that oil degradation can begin as early as 5,000 to 6,000 miles in typical driving conditions. This means for the next several thousand miles, the engine is operating with weakened lubrication. As oil loses its protective properties, friction increases, heat builds up faster, and critical components like camshafts, piston rings, and bearings begin to wear prematurely. Over time, this extra wear adds up. Engines that follow extended intervals often develop timing chain noise earlier, lose efficiency, and require internal cleaning much sooner than expected. It may not be obvious immediately, but the long-term damage is already building. Change your oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Always use high-quality full synthetic oil to maintain proper protection under heat and stress. Yes, this may cost an extra $60 to $100 per year, depending on driving habits. This small cost is nothing compared to $1,000 or more in sludge-related repairs, or the long-term wear that shortens engine life. Clean oil is not just routine maintenance, instead, one of the most important factors in protecting your engine over time. 3. Auto start-stop. Wearing down your engine internals. Stopped at a red light, the engine shuts off and restarts instantly the moment you lift your foot. It feels smooth, modern, and efficient. Nissan promotes this feature as a simple way to save fuel in city driving, and most drivers assume it's helping both efficiency and the environment. Over time, this convenience can quietly add up to real mechanical wear. In the workshop, a pattern begins to appear between 50,000 and 80,000 miles. Vehicles start coming in with weak batteries, slower or rougher restarts, and worn starter motors. In some cases, there are early signs of timing chain noise during cold starts. One Sentra owner had to replace both the battery and starter assembly at around 65,000 miles, with a total repair cost exceeding $700. The system itself was working as designed, but the repeated use had accelerated wear. Every time the engine shuts off and restarts, there is a brief moment where oil pressure drops before building back up again. Even though modern systems are engineered to handle this, those repeated cycles still introduce micro-wear on internal components. Bearings, camshafts, and timing components rely on consistent lubrication, and frequent interruptions increase a long-term stress. In heavy traffic conditions, the system can activate 20 to 40 times in a single trip. Over weeks and months, this translates into thousands of additional restart cycles. Over the course of a year, it can mean tens of thousands of extra engine restarts. That's a significant increase in wear compared to a vehicle running continuously. Another factor is battery strain. Start-stop systems rely on stronger batteries, often AGM types, which are more expensive to replace. Frequent cycling drains them faster, leading to earlier replacement compared to traditional driving conditions. The solution is to turn off the auto start-stop feature during short trips or in heavy stop-and-go traffic. Use it selectively, ideally only when the engine is fully warmed up and driving conditions are steady. Fuel savings may drop slightly, often by about 1 mile per gallon in city conditions. The small difference is minor compared to avoiding a $600 to $1,000 battery and starter replacement. Not every modern feature is built for long-term durability. Sometimes today's convenience becomes tomorrow's repair bill. 4. Low RPM driving causes carbon buildup. Driving gently feels like the best way to protect an engine. Keeping RPMs low and accelerating slowly sounds smart, but over time it can work against the engine. Vehicles driven mostly below 2,000 revolutions per minute often develop rough idle, weak throttle response, hesitation, and carbon buildup. One Altima needed a full intake cleaning at 70,000 miles, costing around $500, simply because it was never driven hard enough to clear deposits. The issue comes down to how combustion works. When an engine runs at very low RPMs under load, combustion is less complete, fuel doesn't burn as efficiently, and small amounts of residue are left behind. Over time, these residues build up as carbon deposits inside the intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chamber. As deposits grow, airflow becomes restricted and fuel delivery becomes less precise, reducing overall engine performance. Nissan engines, especially those using direct injection technology, are more sensitive to this problem. They depend on proper airflow, temperature, and pressure to maintain clean combustion. When the engine is constantly kept in a low operating range, it never reaches the conditions needed to naturally burn off these deposits. Over time, this leads to a cycle of reduced efficiency, more buildup, and further performance loss. The engine may feel smooth in the short term, but internally, it is slowly accumulating problems. Instead of always driving at low RPMs, allow the engine to operate across a wider range. Use normal driving mode in the city, and let the engine rev into the mid-range occasionally, especially when merging onto highways or accelerating from a stop. A few controlled, stronger accelerations can help clear deposits far more effectively than months of gentle driving. This keeps airflow cleaner and combustion more efficient. There is no cost to this adjustment. However, ignoring it can lead to $300 to $800 in cleaning costs, along with reduced performance and efficiency. Gentle driving may feel safe, but when overdone, it slowly creates the very problems it's meant to avoid. 5. Default CVT programming. Hidden transmission stress. Drive a Nissan with a CVT and it feels smooth right away. There are no traditional gear shifts, no sudden jumps, and the engine stays quiet and controlled. The transmission keeps RPMs low and avoids aggressive acceleration. It's designed to feel refined and efficient, which is why most drivers trust it without question. Over time, this default behavior can create hidden stress that builds up quietly in the background. In real-world driving, the effects start to show between 50,000 and 80,000 miles. Drivers begin noticing hesitation when accelerating, slight vibrations at low speeds, or a delayed response when pressing the throttle. In more serious cases, internal wear progresses to the point where repairs become necessary. CVT repairs are not cheap, with minor fixes costing over $1,500 and full replacements often ranging from $3,000 to $5,000 depending on the model. The root of the issue lies in how the CVT is programmed. To maximize fuel efficiency, it keeps the engine running at low RPM even when under load. This condition is known as lugging. While it may feel smooth, it places extra strain on internal components. The engine is forced to work harder without the benefit of higher RPM airflow and proper combustion efficiency, and the transmission itself is under constant pressure to maintain that ratio. Over time, this continuous low RPM load increases wear on both the engine and the transmission. Internal components experience more stress than they would under a more balanced RPM range. It doesn't cause immediate failure, which is why it often goes unnoticed, but the long-term impact becomes clear as performance begins to decline. Many Rogue and Altima models show this exact pattern. Early on, everything feels normal, but after years of driving this way, wear starts to show through reduced responsiveness and increasing mechanical strain. Use normal or sport mode when driving in the city or when accelerating. Allow the engine to rev naturally into the 2,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute range before settling. This reduces lugging, improves combustion efficiency, and lowers stress on internal components. Fuel economy may drop slightly by a small margin, but compared to a potential $3,000 to $5,000 CVT replacement, that difference is insignificant. Smooth driving feels good at the moment, but long-term reliability depends on reducing hidden stress inside the system. If this is helping so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because the next setting is something almost every Nissan owner does daily, and it quietly causes some of the most expensive long-term engine wear. 7. Cold start driving. Increasing engine wear. Start your Nissan and drive immediately. It feels normal, it saves time, and most drivers don't think twice about it. Modern cars are built to be convenient, so it's easy to assume this habit is completely harmless. Over time, this simple routine can quietly cause long-term engine damage. When the engine is cold, the oil inside hasn't fully circulated yet. Even though the engine starts instantly, it takes a few seconds for oil to reach critical components like camshafts, bearings, and piston rings. At the same time, the oil is still thick because it hasn't reached its optimal operating temperature. Metal parts inside the engine are also cold and slightly contracted, which means clearances are tighter and friction is higher. Driving immediately and applying load during this phase increases stress on these components. Instead of smooth lubrication, parts are moving against each other under less than ideal conditions. Over thousands of cold starts, this extra friction adds up and begins to show in the form of long-term wear. In real-world cases, this pattern becomes visible around 50,000 to 70,000 miles. Drivers start noticing rough or noisy cold starts, slight rattling sounds, and in some cases, increased oil consumption. One Sentra showed early timing chain noise at just 60,000 miles, and the root cause was consistent cold driving without allowing the engine to stabilize first. Another issue is uneven thermal expansion. Engines are designed to operate at a specific temperature range. When driven aggressively before warming up, different components expand at different rates, increasing internal stress. Over time, this contributes to premature wear and reduced engine efficiency. After starting the engine, allow it to idle for about 15 to 30 seconds. This gives the oil enough time to circulate properly and begin lubricating all internal components. After that, start driving gently. Keep RPMs as low and avoid sudden acceleration until the temperature gauge begins to rise and the engine reaches its normal operating range. This small adjustment significantly reduces internal wear and helps maintain long-term engine health. It doesn't require extra money or effort, just a slight change in habit. Skipping this step may save a few seconds each day. Over months and years, it can lead to repairs costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The first few minutes of every drive play a major role in how your engine performs and how long it lasts. These 7 settings quietly increase wear and damage every time your Nissan is driven, and fixing them takes minutes. Like and subscribe for more, because one overlooked habit still destroys engines faster than anything else.